Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. For this video, we are going to unbox Ant-Man. Let's go! Okay, so we have here Marvel Superhero Mashers featuring Ant-Man. Okay, and this particular piece was from a trade with Sandy. So thank you very much. And this will end up with my son because he wants to play all of this, although it's hard to pack away. So we have here Ant-Man on the front, and superhero mashers allow you to combine different figures like this into a mash-up superhero. Okay, on the side you can see an extension of that image. The other side we see Ant-Man, and at the back we see some other options for combinations. This one we have Rocket Raccoon, A-Bomb, and Groot. So this is how they combine it with the peg. Okay, so but before we unbox this, we have to look at an Ant-Man Heroclix figure. So let's go. Okay, so the Ant-Man figure that we have is Ant-Man himself from the Smash and Destroy set number 005. I wasn't able to find the other Ant-Man, which is Black Ant, okay, because their sculpt is small and they're in a box full of Heroclix. So the first one I found, fortunately, was Ant-Man. So we're just gonna stick with him. He has the team player team ability, so he can copy any copyable team ability. And keywords are Avengers, Damage Control, Shield, Thunderbolts, and Warrior. Okay, so good keywords, but he is tiny, so he cannot be assigned equipment. He has a trait which is Damage Control, Shrinking past the rubble, Power. Ant-Man and adjacent friendly characters can use tiny and improve movement through blocking without destroying them this turn. Okay, I really like this particular trait, okay, because as you know, tiny would be +1 against range, and moving through blocking can be how you call it, an unexpected movement ability for your enemies. Okay, so it doesn't have anything else. Eric O'Grady, the Black Cat is also Eric O'Grady, so LMD. So I guess it means it's just a stand-in. Okay, so irredeemable Ant-Man number 7 is the significant appearance. So I would imagine this means this Ant-Man is a bad Ant-Man. Okay, so not so sure. You can comments whether what I'm saying is true or not. Okay, so but anyway, looking at the dial, for 30 points only, he has 5 clicks of life, which is always good. Starting off with stealth and close combat reflexes and empower, and then towards the tail end of his dial has sidestep and perplex. So he's really good. He can get up close and personal with opponents with that 18 combat reflexes and 2 targets, so and can empower another character. Okay, so that's it for the Ant-Man related Heroclix. Let's go back to the main video. Okay, so we are back and we're going to look at Ant-Man.
Okay, let's open it.
Let's open it. What color is Ant-Man?
Red and red.
Red. Wow. Okay, for a while.
Wow.
Oh, sit down here. Oops. Okay. So we have here the ants. Oh, here's our ant. 1 ant and 2 ants. Okay, so this particular masher doesn't have any extra parts. It can see your feet. It only has
It's the ant.
the Ant-Man. Okay, himself.
Look, there's the ant.
Yeah, Ant-Man is an Avengers. Okay, so this is the classic Ant-Man look. Okay, and let's see. We're unboxing on the floor, by the way. That's why you see the feet. And we have here the hands. Okay, so this is how you mix and match them. Okay, but I'm really worried that this might, once this breaks, then that makes the figure unplayable. Okay, but it's fine. It seems to be durable enough. So that's the Ant-Man. And let me put the...
What's box in there?
Yeah, later. This one first. Let's put the ants in Ant-Man here and here. Okay. So we have Ant-Man. And let's try to stand him. Hopefully he does. And there you go. So what do you guys think of these superhero measures? Put it in the comments. And until next time, bye!